guys, welcome back. First and foremost, I want y'all to check out the brand new hoodie drop. Check this out, guys. Infamous Racing on the front, Infamous on the back. Yo, you can't tell me that shit ain't fire, man. I really like this drop right here. Make sure you go to InfamouzCulture.com, pick up your brand new hoodie. We got them in stock, on sale, all sizes. Right here, 2021 M1000RR OG. This is the OG Pyru right here, baby. It's the one who started it all. We done a few polls on YouTube, and this seems to be y'all's favorite M1000 that we own. It blows my mind. It's not my favorite. You know, obviously y'all know my favorite is Lemon, but this is the one who started it all. A reason, guys, you don't see a lot of these out in the streets is I remember in 2020, BMW actually reached out to me via email, and they let us know, certain clients know that they're gonna make an M1000 and it's gonna be a limited drop, and you actually had to put down, I remember, around $4,000 just to reserve this bike. That was a non-refundable deposit. A lot of people don't know this, but that's why you don't see, you see a lot of the 23s, the 24s out now. If y'all don't know this, the HP4 race, BMW lost their ass on that bike. $78,000 all carbon bike, and they didn't want to make a repeat of that with the M1000. MSRP on this bike was right under 40K, and you had to put 10% down for you to even be able to order it. So they weren't just making these bikes and pumping them out to the dealership like a normal S1K back then. You had to put a deposit and get on the list to get it. And I remember, actually, before I knew about this bike, Alex sent it to me when BMW first released it on social media. And I told him it was fake, because BMW had never done a bike with so many stickers, so many graphics at that time. So when he sent it to me, I was like, nah, bro, that's fake. That ain't real. He's like, nah, in true Alex words, he said, nah, playboy, that's the real deal. And lo and behold, a week or two later, BMW emailed me and asked if I would be interested in this bike and putting a deposit down, which absolutely I was. We ended up naming this bike Krusty, and it's a funny story how we got that name. Obviously white, red, Krusty the Clown, blue, you think of those colors, you think of clown. But the whole reason we named this bike Krusty is because one day me and Alex were having a conversation, and I was asking him, hey, what bike he had to ride or we were trying to map something out. And he was like, man, I just got that 2021 M1K, that crusty old bike. And I was like, yeah, bro, it's just a little crusty ass $40,000 bike, bro. It ain't no big deal. So, so it was kind of an inside joke between us, and that's how the name came about. But let's talk about a few mods we did on this bike. As you can see, we did the full Evo Acro exhaust. Love this exhaust. Full titanium Acro with the little carbon fiber tip. Definitely the most power gains you can get. Akrapovic, to me, best in the industry, at what they do. We also did a lot. So now, personally, guys, I'm gonna say something, you're gonna think I'm crazy. I've always hated forged carbon. I don't know why, I've never been a fan of it, but it just hits right. It just hits different on this bike, man. We decided to do something different, not do the normal carbon we always do. And we went ahead and did forged carbon on this bike, and man, it really sets it off. It really does, It took a while to come in, but definitely worth the wait. Big shout out to our buddy Teddy at Stage 3. He's the one who hooked up all the carbon for us. Forged always takes a little bit longer, but it's just different, man. I like to do things that are a little bit different. Obviously, as far as the bolt-ons, Brentune, Stage 2, only way to go in my opinion. Sprint, filter, stacks, full bolt-on bike. Also, another cool thing we did, obviously, is the custom seat. Big shout out to Louis Moto for designing this custom seat for us. Obviously, because of the name Krusty. ASV levers, which, I'm a big fan of ASV. Love them. Rizoma mirrors, WRS windscreen. Another thing that we did with this bike that a lot of people don't notice is we actually technically candy dipped the wheels. So these are the OEM BMW carbon wheels. We sent them out to our buddy who candy coats stuff, and he candy coated them. And to me, I wish they were a little bit more red. You know, we used to call this bike, before Krusty, we used to call it Adam Levine because of Maroon 5, because the wheels came out maroon. So, you know, that's just us typically talking shit. But it's kind of grown on me, you know, I dig it. Yeah, I mean, also another thing, I forget, we always put, you know that saying for you bikers, you know, you got dressed for the slide, not for the ride. I feel like that applies to the bike as well. So, you know, you have some frame sliders, you have the GPR racing covers, you know, God forbid something happens, the bike goes down, at least it's going to be protected, you know, to a point. You got the RNG there as well, you know, to protect your investment ultimately. Last thing you want is, you know, something happen, you go down, that engine case to crack, and you're out of there. Samco hoses, of course, you know, big fan of Samco, helps the engine run cool. You know, this bike, it just hits different, man. You know, it gets a lot of attention everywhere we go, anytime you pull up, and I think it's honestly, you know, the forged carbon. You know, it really came out nice. So I just want to take a couple minutes, guys, introduce y'all. Y'all have seen it on the channel, but we've never actually sat and talked about every bike individually. And as far as us, you know, the infamous crew, I think we're up to about 20 bikes between me, Alex. So I want to bring them in one by one, introduce them to you guys, kind of let y'all know what we've done to them, you know, because I see that a lot of requests that, hey, get all the bikes together and talk. It's just hard with everybody's schedules. So when I get time, I'm gonna bring this, you know, I'm gonna start with Krusty, then obviously Limon, then Apollo, which is the 23, and then, you know, we're gonna have Marshmallow, which is the 26 non-competition. Then we have Mamba, which is the 26 competition. We'll do all the M's first. So this is the first video in that series, just kind of talking about it. And I also do like a little riding vlog for you guys too. But let's take a sound. Let's hear that Evo crank up one time for your mind. Let me know what y'all think about this. Can't beat that Evo exhaust, man. You really can't. Sounds good, gives you good horsepower in the top end. You lose no mid-range. Bike's a monster, man. Bike's a monster, absolute blast to ride. You know, what can I say, man? Team BMW, you know, they're the most street-friendly bikes for sure. You know, and the M1000 for the track, you know, it's made for that. It was born for that. Also, when you're on the website, checking out the new hoodie drop, guys, don't forget, we still have these mats. We got a fresh batch of mats in. BMW, Suzuki, Ducati, Aprilia, all major brands in stock, ready to go. Quality of these mats are absolutely fantastic. Thick, non-slide mats. I'll put up our quality with OEM BMW quality. It's that good. And we got them on sale in stock, guys. Make sure you check it out. Free shipping all month long. Grab you a mat, man. Trust me, you will not be dissatisfied.